you can do any work. By your mind power, you can help others.
How? I can't move. I am not able to move. I can't go anywhere like you.
Oh, okay, come with me. I want to show you something. Now they are moving towards the university where her friend, the disabled child friend, is going to show another disabled person who is spending his life very lively and very happily. See, my dear friend, she is a lecturer of this university. She can't see anything. She has legs to move anywhere. She has hands to do any work. But where she was going, she can't see. What she was doing, she can't see. Oh my dear friend, you should pay thanks to God that you can amuse yourself by the beauty of nature. My friend, what about her? She can't see anyone, but she was teaching. She doesn't have life in her life, but she was spreading light to others' life. My friend, you can also do this by giving legs to others. My friend, judge yourself, and you are also very normal person as compared to those who seem to be normal. My friend, this wheelchair, you can move with this wheelchair anywhere. My friend, make this wheelchair your strength, not your weakness.
Yes, I can't do everything in this life. I am thankful to God that I have a friend like you. I promise you, my dear friend, I will not lose my courage at any point of my life. I do live like other people. This world is much mine as it for others.
That's the spirit, my friend. I am always with you and I need a friend like you. Thank you. The main theme of this trip was that we always motivate the disabled children. We always motivate them and we always give courage to them. We do not discourage them. Thank you.
A great play by Metropolitan Academy Campus 1. I'd like to invite now Hafsa Mazhar from the same school to present her views, what she thinks about disability and its impact and importance of disabled people.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, compassionate and ever merciful. I am Hafsa Mazhar from Metropolitan Academy, and to the topic of my speech is, the handicaps can be a responsible citizen of the society. Everyone has a duty to be a responsible citizen, but unfortunately, not all of us follow this statement. There are plenty of the people in this world who follow this statement. Some people think that the disabled and the handicaps are the main cause of destruction in our society. But in my opinion, I think they are definitely wrong, because they are the most responsible one in this world. People just run after money, but they run after talent. They got everything. You guys got everything that a common man doesn't own. It doesn't mean that you don't have 1 cent that you are useless for this world. It means you are precious for this world. So don't think you are useless. Just take an example that in an office, a boss only chooses that person who is really perfect in walking and talking and each case. But when a disabled came to give audition, he would say the word no to him without seeing how much confident, how much honest he is. Why? Why is that so? The answer of this question is that we don't respect them. We have no status for them. Just neglect this thinking from your mind, guys, because nobody is perfect in this world. Everyone pretend to be perfect. So from now on, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay good. Thank you very much.
A great speech by Hafsa Mazhar from Metropolitan Academy Campus 1. There is one more student from the same school who would like to present her views on disability. Please welcome Mahmood Pai.
My name is Mahmood and I come from Metropolitan Academy Campus 1. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do not create anything useless. His every creation is is irrespective, whether it be the plants, human beings, animals, or the creations out of this world, like planets, stars, sun, moon, etc. All are full of wisdom, more than the estimation of human beings. The topic for today's speech is that the handicapped can be a responsible citizen of our society. It is a fact that Allah helps those who help themselves. Courageous and brave people always make their place in society. Believe me, your weakness can become your power. If you want, the only thing which is needed is courage. You should have faith in yourself and you should be faithful with your work. It is not a fairy tale which I am talking about. In fact, we have hundreds of examples around us in our society of the people who are handicapped, but even they work better. I can give you the best example of Pakistan's cricket team of blinds, who are playing better than those who can see properly. In America, there are handicaps, but even after they play basketball sitting on wheelchair. Being handicapped is not a weakness, is not a drawback. In fact, a handicap can easily be a good and responsible citizen of our society. I would like to end my speech with a quotation that I hope will encourage you. One who wins with lots of trouble actually creates the history, but the one who wins without any hurdle got only the victory. Thank you.
I'd like to now invite Harman from Metropolitan Academy Campus 1 as she'd like to say a few lines about disability.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम, मेरा नाम हरमान बतूल है और मेरा ताल्लुक मेट्रोपॉलिटन स्कूल कैंपस 1 से है। आज मेरी तकरीर का उन्वान है माजूरी माजूरी नहीं है। मैं अपनी तकरीर की शुरुआत इस शेर से करना चाहूंगी। जब अपना काफिला मंजिल से निकलेगा, जब अपना काफिला मंजिल से निकलेगा, तो आसमां का सूरज जमीन से निकलेगा। एक दानिश्वर का कौल है कि जब बारिश होती है तो तमाम परिंदे बारिश से बचने के लिए ऐसी जगह तलाश करते हैं जो उनको बारिश से बचा सके, मगर शाहीन अपनी लंबी और ऊंची उड़ान लेकर उन बरसते बादलों से भी ऊंचा चला जाता है। मसाइल सबके लिए यकसा होते हैं, मगर उनको हल करने वाले हाथ बताते हैं कि वो मसाइल हैं या वसाइल। दुनिया में बेशुमार लोग पैदा होते हैं, मगर हर कोई मुकम्मल नहीं होता और ना ही हर किसी को अल्लाह ताला ने नेमतों से नवाजा होता है। मादूर तबके का हर फर्द पैकर उम्मीद होता है और वो अपने दिल में उम्मीद की शमा को जलाता है, ना कि मायूसी की। इसकी एक सच्ची और जिंदा मिसाल एडिसन है, जिसने समाज से महरूम होने के बावजूद दुनिया को बल्ब की रोशनी से रोशनास कराया और इंसानों को जीने का एक नया रुख दिया। एक और मिसाल लुई ब्रेल की है, वो अजीम इंसान जिसने आंखों से माधुरी के बावजूद माधुर लोगों की तालीम का तरीका ईजाद किया। अगर माधुर लोगों को जीना है तो दुनिया उन्हें पैगाम देती है कि वक्त गुजरता जा रहा है, तारीख मुरतब होती जा रही है और तुम भी हेलन टेलर, लुई ब्रेल और एडिसन बनकर वक्त और कौम के तकाज़ों को पूरा कर दिखाओ। बख्तावर लोग की जिंदगी की डोर तुम्हारे हाथ में है और खुश नसीब हो के दुनिया की लगामें थाम सकते हो। अपनी माधुरी को अपने पर मुकर्रर ना करके वो मौत खरीदो जो दवाम हो, वो जिंदगी चाहो जो कदम कदम पर पैगाम हो, रोशनियों का, किरणों का, उजालों का। माधुर लोगों की गफलतें हमें ये नहीं बताती कि हम भी उनकी तरह हो जाएं, और ना ही माधुर लोगों की हिम्मत की बदौलत आज दुनिया में हमारी पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेट टीम सबसे ऊंची है। मैं अपनी तकरीर का इख्तिताम इस शेर से करना चाहूंगी। बुलंद रखना निगाह अपनी, ख्याल अपना, मिजाज रखना, न डगमगाए कदम तुम्हारे, ऐसा अपना वकार रखना। शुक्रिया।
Student Ali Jaswardar from Karachi Public School campus, Islamabad.
My name is Ali Jaswardar and I am from Karachi Public School, Islamabad campus. Today's topic is disability is not inability. This would be the first lesson I learned from reading about Helen Keller. She was deaf and blind by a disease when she was 19 years old, born in 1960. It was difficult to communicate